Live and direct from Money Stereo Installation. 1966 Mustang for sale. Little Scrappy's been in the family for a little while now. We're moving on to some other ideals going on down the line. So here's a rundown. We got two 12s, two amplifiers, fully carpeted out trunk, as you can see, front, back, side to side. Got the tailpipes exiting out the back, current registration. Got your BF Goodrich's all the way around. What we got? We got tail fin in the back, you know, for that downward pressure when you're going fast. What else we got here? We got new pony interior. Was new to the car. It's been here for a hot second, but it's A1 condition. 5-speed T5 rebuilt transmission. We got the retro radio controlling the beat here. Got the rally pack over there. We got, let's see, all black door seals, everything, door handles. All the black items have been powder coated, not painted. Well, the rounded trim, that's painted, but all that stuff is all powder coated. We got a 302 running like new money up in here. I'm telling you, boy, I'm finna fire it. One touch, one wire alternator, serpentine belt system, 3-core radiator. Got your fog lights in the front, or lights are on right now. What else we got going over here? Oh, we got new suspension, new rear end, new axles, disc brakes in the front. Oh, did I mention it has music? Oh, let's see what's going over here. Oh yeah. For those who didn't know, like second startup of the day. Like that. Purring. Ain't smoking, ain't doing nothing. Oh, what? That go with it too. Yeah. Yeah. Dual pipes with the extra X-Pack, the extra crossovers in there. So this could be what you're doing. Yeah, music with it too, you know. No AC, crack the windows old school style. Good rear view mirror, good glass, interior, like not a rip on it. Like I said, if you need this in your life, holla at me. Money Stereo Installations down in beautiful downtown East Palo Alto. Hit me up at 650-906-8878. Call, text, email, smoke messages. Hey, come holla at me. I need 30. Talk to me. Talk to me. I'll talk back. Look what's out there. You want to be different? Dare to be different. Stand out the crowd with this right here. That's all I got to say. Look at that. Hear it? Oh, let me just hit the gas one time just so you know. Yeah, that part. Oh, equal length headers out the back too. Yeah. 5-speed. Get a dose of that. That's all I got to say. Hey, if you need this, I got you. It's out of here.